Mum, what's for dinner tonight?
I haven't decided yet. What do you think I should cook?
I'm craving roast chicken.
But we had roast chicken yesterday.
I know, but I want it again.
We can have roast chicken only if you help me wash the dishes.
Deal.
What did you eat for dinner last night?
I had lasagna. What about you?
I ordered Japanese food. Can you cook?
Yeah, I love cooking. I've never tried Japanese food.
I really want to learn to cook Japanese food, but I hate cooking.
Why?
I just think it's time consuming and I don't enjoy cleaning afterwards.
Haha, who cooks for you then?
My mum usually cooks and I help her clean up.
That's kind of you. Mum, can we have cake for dessert, please?
I wasn't planning on baking today, but what cake would you like?
Please, can you bake a chocolate cake?
Okay. I think I'll teach you how to make it so you can start baking from now on.
Yes, please. I'd love to learn to bake. It looks like so much fun.
I think you'll enjoy baking.
Me too.